Hi, today I'm producing OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first you should launch the Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, you should click on the swatcher and after that just tap to more, I agree. Click to next. Not now. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, like in my case, just tap to voice model, click to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. So say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. So now Hey Google option is ready. So tap to next, and when you'll say okay Google or Hey Google, you'll see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.